Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2026 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.